Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. Yes, I know I am late. Um, it is what it is. I'm never on time. Okay, so it's part of the game. So all right. So let's see here. So welcome. So I don't know with that new OBS thing. It seems like I can't see. Like, can I see the chat? I don't know. Whatever. All right. I at least we got OBS running in. It can run 4K, I think. Man, sorry, man. My eyes are itchy. Okay, so welcome for the new followers. Welcome back if you're an existing followers. I have no clue if I'm talking to myself or if there's people right now. No clue. I know that some of you and most of you will be watching the replay. So welcome back to you. And hey, so far it's been like what? Now, what, 3 weeks at least? That I didn't skip one Tuesday. Forex Talk Over Beer, I did skip some, so slowly but surely we're coming back to more consistency, right? So let's jump into it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's jump into it. So let's put up the chart here. Enough talking. Let's do some more trading. What about that? What about that? So let's get this thing here. I think we're good, right? Yeah, excellent. Oh man, it feels good to have something with no not laggy. Oh, I got the new internet too. So now it should be way more faster. Like no more lags. And I think the delay between um what I'm doing right now and on YouTube, the delay is gonna be much smaller also. So anyways, all right. Let's see here. Can anyone confirm that the sound is good? Are we okay to go? And if you're new here, let me know where you're from. If it's your first time, who told you about it? If you're part of any group, any trading group, let them know that we are here to help. And yeah, man, let's answer your question. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. Stop me. Tell me I'm going too fast. I don't mind. All right, let's jump into it. Fuck, man, can you believe it? All right, so yesterday I got stopped out on GJ, and look at this thing. Oh fuck, man. Oh well. All right, so we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We are also bullish on daily. We got the pullback exactly where I wanted. I was trying to get that trade from there yesterday, and look, I got wicked out. I guess my stop was too tight. Okay. Now I'm kind of mad because the entry here was at 4 a.m. That was nice. 4 a.m. Nice entry here. All right, so now, all right, so for GJ now, um, you see, this is where I got stopped yesterday. Where was it? Thing was it here? Yeah, I got this entry here on that 1 hour time on that 1 hour candle. You know, did an aggressive, my not aggressive stop, but the previous structure was here. So if I'm not wrong, I went like 10 pip under that support, which is like 39. Yeah, so I got stopped out. Bam. I got stopped out way before that. Yeah, that was somewhere in here. So I guess it was not exactly that entry, but yeah, I got stopped out before lunchtime. So it is what it is. But now I'm more than willing to give that trade a second chance because everything still makes sense. All right, so here let's update this. Okay, so here's two things. So first, I can wait for a pullback for H4 or H1 pullback. So one of the two, I'm gonna be willing to give it a second try. GM, same shit. We got stopped out. Obviously, now on both of them, add like half risk. But let's see here. That's also why I'm willing to give it a second try, also, right? Um, Let's take a look here. We are bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, and again, same setup here. This is, man. Oh man. Oh yeah, that was the trade from last week that we had a nice win on this one. Let me delete this so it's not confusing. That was last week and we broke it down on Forex Talk over here, so we good. Okay, so now here the difference is GN went bearish here on H4. Okay, when was that? Okay, so let's update this. H4. Don't really have an elbow here. So those are like 90 degrees, you know. You know, elbows, like how can I show you guys? Like here, this is a nice elbow, right? This is like 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Here we have an elbow. Here we have an elbow. You know, for people wondering, here we have an elbow. Here kind of don't have an elbow. But yeah, just for you to understand what I'm talking about. Um, here we go, here we go. Okay, so here that's gonna be our lower high, H1. H1 also went bearish. All right, so GN I'm not interested anymore for now. Oops. Here we go. Let's recap this. So weekly bullish, look like we're gonna have the pullback here on the weekly. That's probably why those two other time frame went bearish. But for now, we're still here at the daily golden zone. So that's why, like, even if H4 and H1 are bearish, I'm not willing to do a counter trend trade because I'm at the area where I'm expecting a pullback. Especially that, yes, we did create a high. We got a pullback inside the daily golden zone, which is also retesting previous structure point. So I'm like, nah, I'm not willing, even if I'm pretty sure that the weekly is gonna go down to have the pullback. I'm gonna have to wait for the day to go bearish for me to take this counter trend trade, right? So, yeah. So let me unflag this one and later. All right, GA. Let's take a look. And by the way, guys, if you have any pair you want to take a look at or a pair that you're scanning right now, please let me know. And let's see if it makes sense. All right, so now let's take a look at GA. We are clearly bullish here. We are also bullish on the daily. We are exactly where I wanted to pull back also, which is new high, pullback, golden zone, daily area of interest. Like if we scroll this here we got one area of interest, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, so pretty solid, right? Which is pretty much, is it like a major? No, it's not major QP. So pretty solid spot here where I'm expecting rejection. Again, we are bullish on the weekly also. And that's funny because when people look at this, something like that, they'll be like, oh, we are bearish, on the daily because, I mean, we are trending down, right? People will say, oh shit, we're coming down, right? Most of the people that don't, um, zoom out will be fucked here, because they think we're coming down. But if you zoom out, look, I mean, from here to here, we're bullish. We never broke the low here. So anything in here, you know, is just market structure, So this is irrelevant, because I mean, this is market structure. So here, some people will argue and say, yeah, but here, yeah. For me, first, this is like a 90 degrees elbow. It's not cleanable. Plus, this two doji for me are right off candles. So if they're not there, you're pushing those two candles side by side, and you have no elbow. Those are indices of candle, right? So hopefully that help. Let me see here. All right, we got a question or a comment. Oh, Jacob, what's up? What's up, Jacob? Like, I'm gonna find a way to, like, what we're the only the only function I really liked on StreamYard before was like to be able to pop up the comment, as people were asking question. But hey, what's up, Jacob? Looking at CAD GPY 4 hour just at bullish SOS in daily golden zone. All right, we'll take a look at it. We're definitely gonna take a look at it. Because I think yesterday I also saw there was a potential with that pair. So let me see. Okay, so let's recap here. So we are in that golden zone. So now H4 is bearish. So no matter what here, I'm gonna need H4 to go bullish. All right, so stand by on that one. Euro GPY, and after that we'll jump on CAD GPY. So weekly is bullish. You all right? Weekly bullish. Daily bullish. We came down to retest previous structure point, golden zone, major QP, and now look like yesterday we had that doji, H4. Oh, shoot. Damn. It looks like I should have looked at Asian session. God damn it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was a solid entry here. Especially like here. Like, I'll show you why. Like, from there to there, right? We're bullish. Any pullback here would have been nice, to go up, but it went so low here that even with this engulfing here, I would not be interested because we're so low and we're past my golden zone, past my safety net. Even this, I wouldn't be happy. But the fact that we came up here, we retested this structure point, which is, obviously here we're still bullish, right? But the matter of fact that we broke out of that area that was problem, we came down to retest huge rocket fuel here, and we got this again, huge rocket fuel and this candle closing engulfing here. I would have been interested to take that entry like somewhere around here, but I was not looking. Probably on 30 minutes even better. Let's see. No, so I guess the 1 hour was the best entry here. You know, yeah, that would have been nice. Shoot. All right, so now let's update this. I'm definitely going to be interested in this one, especially we got a lot of room. So it's either again that one's going to be like GA. It's going to be either like a pullback on H4 or pullback on H1. Yep, same thing. So I'm actually going to write a note here. Wait for H4 or H1. I'm gonna put the same thing here, actually. Oh, hold on, wait a second. Wait, what? Oh, that was GJ, the other one. Here we go. So that one's nicer. All right, CAD GPY now. And after that, we'll go back to CHF GPY, CAD GPY, CAD GPY. Here we go. All right. Oh yeah, give me one sec, guys. Completely forgot something. Um, Yeah, bear with me. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we're good. All right, so cap GPY. Let's take a look here. We are bullish on the weekly time frame. We are also bullish on the daily. But let's take a look here at the weekly. Weekly is getting super close to that resistance here, which is probably the thing that I'm not extremely excited about. It here we kind of got this like kind of effy elbow here. Got a tiny elbow. Um, daily right in that golden zone right here. All right, we also have this major QP. H4. So H4 went, oh, okay, no, it just closed bullish. Okay, perfect. So it just flipped bullish now. So that's what he said. Okay, CAD H4 just had SOS. Okay. Yeah, definitely gonna flag that one. Yeah, definitely gonna be keeping a look on this one. Um, Same thing here. Yep, here we go. Perfect. All right, good catch, man, Jacob. Definitely gonna take a look at this one. We're gonna follow up. CHF Man, all those GPY pair went through the roof. It was probably news yesterday or something. All right, so here bullish on the weekly. Yeah, I was waiting for pullback here. Never really happened. So we're just straight bullish. Yeah, no, okay. This one is gone. NTDCHF, that was a nice paper trade we discussed on Forex Talk Over Beer last week, and it got sorry guys, got to full TP here. We'll remove that. All right, now let's take a look. Do you have anything we can do here? All right, we're bearish, bearish. H4 bearish. But the problem here on the daily and the weekly is because we got nothing. We got nothing. For area of interest or nothing. Japan had new prime minister first ever. What? How the fuck did I miss that? Oh, it happened during the night, right? Japan's elected as the new prime minister. Oh wow, man. I hate those fucking cookie thing, man. Get the fuck out of there. There we go. This is just crazy that it kind of crashed the yen. Can believe that now in 2025, how this can be like a negative impact on their economy. Um, like this is super positive. Wow, that's some fucking big news, man. But how can you have like every fucking pair going up against the yen? Like even CAD, which is kind of, you know. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. Oh well. It is what it is. All right, let's continue here. NTDCHF. Yeah, that's the one I was saying. Like, like I have nothing to the left that I can look and base myself out of. Like we are at the lowest point. Um, so the only thing I can use now is, my friend Fib. That's the only thing I can use. Got nothing else. So that daily golden zone is going to be also in sync with that previous structure point, which is not bad. So this is clearly not my favorite. I'm not even gonna flag it, but I'm just gonna get it closer just because I'm curious. AUD/USD, I don't think so. We are at a lower low here on the weekly. We're ranging on the daily. Fuck that shit. GCAD, weekly bullish. Daily bullish, getting that pullback. So now that might be interesting. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. And what about H4? H4 is also bullish. You know what? GCAD is gonna make the cut here. Yeah, that's gonna be super close. Okay. So what about H1? H1 must be bearish now. Yeah. So here we are bearish. I'm gonna need H1 to go bullish to be able to take this trade. So, all right. AUD CAD. No and no. Euro CAD. Okay. All right. So weekly is bullish. We got a pullback here. Daily got a pullback. All right. All right. So daily looks nice also. Here we go. What about weekly? I don't think we got anything to. I mean, we got stuff, but it's really far. It's in 2016, so yeah, not really helpful. Let's take a look at the daily if we have any area of interest here. Look like we might have like one, two. Mm. Yeah, nothing. Okay. What about here? One, two. No. I mean, that would be in, there will be like one area here, but that's gonna be a little low. Is that at the safety net though? All right, so at least this is just before the safety net. So that would be like first area where I want to take the trade, and that is second and last area where I want to take this trade. What about H4? H4 is now bearish. You know, once this candle is gonna be closed in 36 minutes, we're gonna update this. That's gonna be something like this and this. Actually, just gonna leave it like that because no, Sasha, it's not closed. You're gonna get confused. So let's do this. Let's update it when it's gonna be closed. So yeah, this one definitely gonna be following up. Um, because once this close here, I'm gonna need H4 to go back above that point, retest to go up, basically. So, what else? NZD USD. Yeah, not much, not much, not much. Yeah, I'm not gonna play with that one. Euro NZD, weekly bullish, daily bullish. We're starting to have that pullback. Yeah. NZD GPY, no thank you. Oh, Jacob, Japan and yeah, confused, confused. Well, thinking only doing low risk on GPY pair. Yeah, it looks like. I mean, maybe the news gonna be corrected during New York session. So I don't know. It's kind of weird. CAD CHF. I mean, I don't know like the exact detail of that woman. Like, was she good? Like, we have no clue. So I guess the perception of the market has been like on the fence. So nothing here. I didn't even update the chart because it's so ugly. That one's so ugly. Ugly. Nothing. Terrible. Terrible. Oh, what was the other one that had finally a breakout? There's a pair that's been like ranging for like so long. I think that was. I think that was actually GCAT. No, no. Which one was it? There was one. Was it Euro CHF? No, can't remember. Just can't. Oh, GPB CHF. GPB CHF. Where the fuck is that one? GBB. Oh, right here. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, after that long range. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But there was one. No, okay, I guess that's the one. Yeah, nothing we can do with this. All right, cool. So that's pretty much it. So now the only other thing I'll be watching is also the dogtail setup with this one. We'll see how it close in 30-ish minutes. Definitely gonna be interested to the upside for that dogtail. Um, Especially with the size of the candle right now, I'm not gonna be really interested into the downside. But to take this trade up now to hold it, I definitely need a pullback on H4 or H1. And look like we might have it because if this one closed like this, it's probably a good sign to come down finally. That'll be great. Let's update this since we are there. Let's do this. Perfect. Here we go. I think we're good. All right, let's see. Any question? Hey, Dimitri, what's up, buddy? How you doing? How you doing? Let's see here. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. All right. Any last questions, guys? Let's see. Or any last pair you want to take a look at? Oh yeah, somebody asked about gold, but send me a message on Discord. Um, I don't trade gold, but whoa, what the fuck? Damn, dude, fuck is going on here? You'll see when when Trump goes out of power, gold's gonna come down so bad because gold becomes like that safe haven, right? So that's why everyone's on the fence right now and like, look at this shit. Holy fuck. That is crazy. But once he's gone, this thing's gonna settle down. Oh wow, man. Holy crap. I guess I should have been trading gold because I mean you can go wrong. It's only going up. Holy fuck. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. That is crazy. Like there's just tiny pullback, like holy crap. That's crazy. This one looked like we're finally gonna have this pullback here, but shoot. Where's my lines here? Alright. So this one is now. So H1 at least now is bearish, right? Here there's not much elbow though. Like there's one here, but here it's kind of no, and yeah, so I guess here. Oops. Oopsie. Wow. All right. All right. All right. All right. So yeah, so nothing from me on gold. Nothing. I mean, if you're scalping, obviously, yeah. If you're scalping now, you're gonna get out of this area. Let's see. If I was scalping, sorry guys. Especially now that daily broken previous low here, sign that we might have this pullback. H4 is also now we got this double. double top-ish. But we're still bullish here on H4. Even though this is an FB elbow, but still, or can be there or there. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna, it might break to get a daily pullback. But again, if I was scalping H1, like I would wait to personally get out of this. Let's see, 30 minutes. Yeah, if we can get out of this thing here, yeah. But you got like that 4.200 here. That is a major QP. I would definitely, let's do this. It's not a major QP, but it's a, let's see here. Solid area also. Oh no, it is. It is. Sorry. Poop. Yeah. Like on 15 minute, let's see. If you get out of this. Yeah, on 15 minutes, because you got like you're able to grab a couple pips here from there to there, right? You got like 100 125 points. So yeah. I mean, if I was scalping, I would make sure that I get out of this area retest, and this will be my final TP, or I will get out of that major QP retest, same thing, and after that I want to fill this wick here, this one. So break retest, fill this wick, get out of the market. Yep, give me one second, guys. All right. Okay. So yeah, so that's about it for gold. Like I said, I don't trade gold, but just to give you an idea, let's go back to GJ. I don't think we got anything happening here for now. And yeah, I think we're good. All right, guys. So that is it. Do we have any last questions? Nothing? All right. So thank you so much for being here this morning. And I'll be live again on Thursday night for Talk Over Beer. Have a great day. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Peace out, boys.